Greetings and welcome to another video. It's Saturday the 6th of April 2024 and I'm in Telford Town Park at the moment, just having a ride around on my bicycle. It's a really good day to be out and about at the moment. Really want to enjoy this afternoon for it being a nice day despite it being a bit windy, or maybe because it's a bit windy. Either way, it's looking like a good day so far. So yeah, like I said, I'm cycling around and there's something I want to have a look at, which I have mentioned at least once before in a video a couple or so years ago. Definitely one of, at the very least, it's definitely one of the very first videos I had a look at when I started my YouTube channel. And yeah, well, as I'm here at the moment, I wanted to take the time to have a look again. So yeah, let's carry on. So as you can see, I'm on this trail along Telford Town Park, and there's two specific routes that come along this way. As you can see, we've got the Telford Town Park Heritage Trail, which is along the purple marked paths, and the green marked paths are the Telford Town Park Nature Trail. So yeah, and both these two paths, the Heritage Trail and the Nature Trail, are both really good paths to explore around Telford Town Park. And if we have a look just in front of us at this signpost over here, Telford Town Park, the Mineral Railway. From at least 1882, the Great Western Railway, GWR, ran a mineral railway from Hollinswood down to Ranelagh Valley to serve the coal and iron industries in Sturchley. Within the town park, this followed the course from Ranelagh Brickworks to the Grange. The mineral railway stopped travelling south to the Grange between 1903 and 1929 and terminated at the Wrekin Chemical Works. Its use finally reached the end of the line in 1954. The line of the mineral railway is preserved today on this pathway, and evidence remains, including posts, buildings and artefacts. So as you can see, a old photo from 1910. Ranelagh Brickworks and the mineral railway in the foreground, circa 1910. So yeah, from Hollinswood down to the Ranelagh Valley. And this path I'm on at the moment used to be the mineral railway. Firstly, going off in the direction I'm facing at the moment, while at the same time going off in that direction too. Now if I was to travel along this path in the direction I'm facing, that would take me to Telford Town Centre. And it's only something like a 5-minute, 10-minute walk in the direction I'm facing to get to Telford Town Centre, going in the direction I'm facing. Otherwise, if we face the other direction, going off in the direction that's now in front of me, you'll get to places like Sturchley, Brookside, Dawley. And yeah, absolutely amazing. Really peaceful around here. Absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, it's beautiful. It's a beautiful day today. Very, very nice afternoon. And on that note, I'm gonna finish this video here. Thank you everyone for watching this video. I do appreciate people taking the time to watch my videos, so thank you. Take care of yourselves, be safe, and I'll see you all soon in the next video. Take care and goodbye.